Hey guys, it's Cooper Codes here, and today I'm going to be talking about Chapter 9, which is Classes and Modules. Just going to be taking notes on it. So I just started with this first paragraph. I forgot to record, so I just wrote this. And usually I have commentary before the notes, but don't really have any commentary today. I'm just really trying to get through this textbook stuff fast, just so I can get an overview. And then just go back to the parts that I kind of got lost at and then kind of learn those more in depth. So the content's kind of boring right now. I'm sorry, but this is kind of what it takes if I want to, be good at JavaScript. So that's the whole reason I kind of started this, is just to show what the process is like for anyone who, isn't a programmer, or even if someone who is a programmer looking at their own progress. And I don't know, you want to compare it to someone else, or yeah. And I'm not saying that my experience is the same thing every single person in the world experiences, but it's my experience, and I feel like that's kind of valuable and interesting. So I'm gonna get into taking notes, and yeah, I'm gonna switch to the voiceover. Alright guys, so yeah, this is my record. Not to say it's a good thing, but I think this is my record for the shortest programming session. So I did it in 53 minutes. So that's pretty short compared to what I've been doing recently. I think it was just because the stuff was so thick. When you're reading about all these object stuff and you're reading through the examples, you just have all these things in your head, and it tired me out pretty fast. And I was doing lots of homework today. For just regular school, so yeah, that's that. But I was taking object stuff classes. I actually found this stuff to be more important for objects. There was lots of just good object examples that used all the stuff that we've been talking about. They used classes and everything else in objects, and there's good solid examples in the book. So some really good code to go off of. So I know I'm not going in the wrong direction. So I keep on saying I think I wrote 4 or 5 things where it pointed to a page where it said yeah, there's a great example on this page. So every JavaScript thing has a constructor property. There's also some vocab on page 205. Yeah, I just did lots of reading today, but I feel like I learned a lot. I kind of learned the basic structure of how everything works. And tomorrow I'm planning on actually doing some coding. So for the rare few that watch this, I'll probably be live on Twitch doing some object-oriented stuff, just messing with it. So if you want to be there for that, or if you even want to try and mess with it yourself after you see some of my stuff, I'm not even sure if it'll run, but we'll see what happens. But if you're interested in that, twitch.tv/CooperCodes. It also talked about how JavaScript inheritance is dynamic, and so objects inherit from prototype objects, and so if different objects have the same prototype object, that means they're in the same class, because that object shares the same functions or methods or whatever values are in the prototype object. If that makes sense. It kind of took a while for me to get my head around it, but once I saw some examples, it kind of made sense. And they're dynamic because you can change the prototype that all the other objects inherit from, and then the entire class changes. So that's pretty cool. It's not super rigid, it's very flexible. So let's say you want to add a get salary for every single person in your employee class. Then you can just put it into the prototype object, and it will be there for everyone. So yeah, pretty cool. I also got into subclasses, and yeah, I think that's it. It's relatively short today. I know it feels like 3 minutes because I've fast forwarded so far, but it was 53 minutes. So yep. And I got in some Reddit because I just screw this. Yeah, that's really all I gotta say for today. If you're interested in some actual coding, it'll obviously be on this channel, but like I said earlier, I'll be doing coding on Twitch tomorrow, or today actually. I record this in the morning, so if you're interested in that, hop on that. As always, hop in the Discord. I'm always active on there if you want to ask questions, or even just ask questions to anyone, not just me. Anyone in there, you guys are pretty chill in there. And yeah, that's that. See you later.